All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to level your deck on your John Deere S160 with only a couple tools. All right, so you are going to need a 15 millimeter if you got this S160, unless some of your nuts fell off and you put different nuts on. I don't know, but it is a 15 millimeter. And this is what I recommend getting. If you don't have one of these, I'm going to put one of these down in my description, and I'll try to put this in the first comment. It does not cost that much, but it makes leveling your deck 100 times easier, because in the directions in the manual, it says to use little 2-inch blocks and blah, blah, blah. It's a pain in the butt using the blocks. Trust me. Just spend the $10 or $5 and buy one of these. So if you don't have one of these, get one of these and then come back to this video, because then it's 100 times easier. Maybe a light. Oh, and you're going to need an air compressor. You got to make sure you have the correct pressure in all 4 of your tires. If you have one tire that's really low, or if they're not at the correct pressure, that could screw up how level your deck is. So it does say on the side of the tires here, like these ones say 14 PSI. So I got 14 PSI in the front. That's what I'm supposed to have. I'm going to check it. I don't know if I do. In the rear of my lawnmower is probably less. And oh yeah, 10. That's what I was going to guess. So 10 and 14 on mine. You may want to look at the side of your tires. Probably the same if you have an S160. So I'm going to check them. Before you check your tire pressure, this is another thing you're going to need. So you're going to need this is a low pressure gauge to check for like 14 PSI and 10 PSI. Most of them do not do low pressure. So if you don't have one of them, I will have one of them down in my description also. Because most little tire pressure gauges don't go to 10 or 14. So let me check this one, see if we are at 14. Just a little bit high. I like these old school ones. There we go, 14. So I got 14 in the front. I'm gonna check the rear one at 10, 8. Let's put a couple pounds in there. You don't want to try to level your deck with all your tires all jacked up. There. Ah, look at that. Bam. Yeah, perfect. Shoot. All right, let me check the other side. And then I'm going to show you how to level this baby. All right, I got the correct tire pressure in my tires. This is the lever that makes your deck go up and down. And there are numbers right here. We got a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. I'm putting mine on 4. You could put it on whatever level you want if you're going to use something like this. So I'm going to measure the blades at 4, and I'm going to make it so if you put it on 4, it's going to cut your grass at 4 inches. So if you want to put it at 3, then you're going to want this to measure 3. All right, now let me show you how to do that. And don't shut this off, because there's one important step at the end of this video. All right, before we get up under there and start adjusting blades, open up the hood of your lawnmower and unplug your spark plugs. We've got a spark plug right here, and you got one in the same spot on the other side. Unplug them. There we go. Gosh, I think I was squeezing it too hard. Don't squeeze it so hard. I was making it harder than it had to be. All right, and unplug the other one. Yeah, like that. All right. You want to unplug them because we're going to get under there, and we don't want to cut our little hands off. But don't forget to plug them back in at the end, because your mower won't start. All right, I'm going to show you here on this side, because this is where the chute is. It's a little easier to show you. Now this one has 3 blades. If for some reason you have a deck that has 2 blades, it's not that big a deal. Just follow along. I'm only going to use the outer blades anyway. So just use, if you have 2 blades, just use 2 blades, the 2 blades you got. So we're going to put, now the mower's sitting this way, okay? I want my blades to be going this way. What is that, perpendicular to the mower? Is that the right word? So right there, I can see the tip of my blade right there, okay? And I have that set at 4. You just push this down, you put this piece down under the tip there where it would cut the grass. That's all you do, like that. Now that, since I have it set at 4, this should point to 4. It's pointing to 3.5. So I got to adjust that. That mower deck needs to go up. I'm going to put this down, and we're going to put that up closer to 4. And then I'm going to go on the other side and put that one close to 4 or exactly 4. But then I'm going to check them again because sometimes when you adjust one side, it might mess the other side up. All right, this nut right here, you'll see it hanging down. There's a hanger up in there. That's a nut we're going to turn. I'm going to tighten it, which is going to raise that deck. So we just tighten this up. I'm going to watch my gauge. Oh, did it pop? Oh, it popped off. Make sure your little gauge don't pop off if you're watching it like me. It could really mess it up.
It's working.
We're going to call that good there. It's really close, but I want to do the other one. I feel like it's going to make this go down when I do the other one. Now that's a lot closer to 4. Almost on, but mine was off by 1/2 inch, so I didn't go exactly. I think when I do the other one close to the 4, I think it's going to kind of make this deck go like this. So let me see. I might actually have to take that nut back down a little bit. So let me check the other side. So that one's at 4 with my blades this way, okay? And then I will show you what we got to do at the end of this video. There's another step. Man, looks good. Check this again. I think I got her good now. Yep, looks good. All right, I got this one 4. I got the other side 4 because I got my little deck leveling handle at 4. Okay. I ended up getting my little 12-volt electric ratchet. These are awesome. I'll throw one of these down in the description. They do not cost that much if you want some really nice Milwaukee tools. Milwaukee's are awesome, but their 12 volts are not that expensive. The other ones are, but the 12 volts are not bad. Now we got to do the opposite. We got our blades. We were measuring them this way, right? So I'm going to take this blade and I'm going to go straight. Actually, I have 3 blades, so I'm going to take my center blade and make it go straight. And I want that center blade, I'm going to measure at the front of the deck, okay? I'm going to go to the front of the deck. It's going to be kind of a pain in the butt. But you want that blade to be 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch lower. Okay, so this is at 4 inches. I want the front, like if the blade's like this, I want to measure the front of the blade, and I want the front of that blade to be like 3 7/8. That will give me 1/8 inch lower. Or it can be 1/4 inch, so it could be 3 3/4 of an inch at the front. So I know a lot of people ask me, why in the world would you do that? Well, I guess you don't want your deck completely level because somehow it will double cut your grass. So if you go down a little bit, only the front of the blades will cut the grass before you all ask me crazy questions. I am a little crazy, but I'm just doing what the dang manual says, people. How in the flippity poop am I going to do that? If you got 2 blades, this is maybe a little easier because I got to try to straighten that one in the middle up. I got mine set at 4, so if you set yours at a different number, you just got to go 1/8 to 1/4 inch lower in the front. Or 3 7/8. Okay. Now we're going to put this under there. And I got to feel where the tip of that blade is at. This is right there. I got to put that under the cutting spot. If your cutting spot is not very sharp, you got to watch my video on how to sharpen them. Let me see. So we are at, oh, it's almost 3 3/4. It's actually a little bit too low in the front. So I got to raise the deck a little bit in the front now. That's this bad mamma jamma right here. I think I got to tighten this the same to go up a little. So I'm at like close to 3 1/2. Make sure that sucker's under there. Yeah, tighten it, it's gonna go up. There's 3 3/4. Let me get it close, like maybe in the middle there. 3 3/4, 3, yeah. All right, I think that's good. That wasn't so hard. Yeah, it looks good. This thing might seem cheap when you get it, but it really helps you out. All right, now I'm just gonna double check one more time. I might even look at my little lever thing, make sure I have it on 4. and it should still stay 4 and 4 on both sides. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope this helped you out. I had to kind of go back and forth and then make sure the front was that 1/8 to 1/4 inch lower. It took me a couple times because if you adjust the one side, it kind of messes the other side up a little bit, so I hope you didn't go crazy. And another thing, just make sure, when I'm adjusting that, sometimes when I'm done, I will pick up the deck a little bit and just move it around. Make sure it's hanging on that hanger right. Like you have that little nut and then the hanger. Make sure there's not like a big gap in between the hanger and the nut, because then you'll be all messed up. I hope this video helped you out. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, even if it's saying, dang, your beard looks fancy. Or let me know where you guys live. I live right here in good old Pennsylvania, and it's getting cold out right now, and it sucks. I don't like the cold weather, so I'd like to go down south someday. But I will have about probably 4 or 5 other videos on this same lawnmower, so hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day.